what we're planning to install, and where it can go.
When we're installing your fibre connection, there's a few pieces of equipment we'll need to install, 2 to be exact. One goes on the outside of your property and the other on the inside. Typically, there's a bit of drilling and sometimes digging involved with an install, and we'll need your consent and signature to get started. This is why we'll need someone over the age of 18 to be there on the day. And if you're a renter, you'll need the landlord's permission as well. There are some rules around where our technicians can and can't install the boxes. The technician will discuss where your new equipment can be installed with you on the day. Let's meet the boxes. Box 1. This is your NBN utility box. This is the outside one, and it's about the size of this tablet, or 250mm wide by 260mm high by 80mm deep. Usually it will be installed near your existing telecoms utility box, if you have one, towards the front of your property. Keep in mind that it has to be a minimum of 400mm off the ground. So, about this much. It also needs to have clear space from other utilities. It needs to breathe, you know? Now for inside. The second box is the NBN connection box.
There are 2 types of connection boxes. Typically, it will look like this and be about the size of a notebook. The second type is typically for premises or businesses requiring multiple FTTP services and will look like this. This is where you plug in your Wi-Fi router. In a typical installation, you will need to connect your Wi-Fi router to the Ethernet port labelled Port.
You might also need to look into whether your current Wi-Fi router is up to the task of sharing all that speed around your house. Have a look at our video titled Getting Your Connection Up and Running to work out how your setup can work best for you. But for now, let's jump back into the mandatories you'll need to know about where our technicians can and can't install your NBN connection box.
The NBN connection box should be installed within 1.2 metres of an existing power point or safe extension lead provided by you and up to 12 metres radial distance from the NBN utility box. In this example of a home layout, the technician will most likely install the connection box in the study or the corner of the living room. If there is no suitable location within the 12-metre radius, the technician will install the NBN connection box in the nearest, most suitable location beyond 12 metres. We won't install in a bedroom or garage unless specifically requested or it's the only safe or feasible option. If you are upgrading your business to fibre as part of our Fibre Connect upgrade process, extended installation options may be available with an eligible NBN business plan. Talk to your provider for details.
If we can't place the connection box in your preferred location on the day, then there are a few options you can consider, although they are not included in an NBN fibre installation, so you'll need to explore these at your own cost. Firstly, you could provide your own pathway, in line with NBN standards, to where you would like your connection box, but this will mean we can't complete the installation on the day. We recommend that you get a registered cabler to do this for you. Find out more at nbn.com.au/cabling. Secondly, it may be easier to run an Ethernet cable from the NBN connection box to where you would like your Wi-Fi router. Or look at ways you could further enhance the setup of your property with our video Getting Your Connection Up and Running. Other things to keep in mind are that it needs to be somewhere safe. That means safe from water, which could be a leak or a spillage, safe from direct sunlight, and of course, safe from the chance of being knocked or damaged. So, to summarise, somewhere cool, dry, ventilated, and away from existing utilities like gas pipes or electrical switchboards. And somewhere that is easily accessible for both you and us, so no underfloor crawl spaces or low roof spaces. Finally, if your property or premises has more than one level, we'll need to install it on the ground floor. And that's it. Soon you'll be able to get on with doing great things online.
For more information, visit nbn.com.au/fibreappt.